Hello everyone. Welcome back to Online Help Guide. Today, in this video, I will be showing you how to leave a group chat on Instagram. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. Click on the messenger icon from the top right corner. Select the group that you want to leave. Tap on the info icon at the top right corner of your group chat screen. Scroll down and at the bottom of the screen, you will see Leave Chat. Tap on it. Now from the pop-up screen, tap on Leave. And you will leave a group chat on Instagram. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful, and you're able to leave group chat on Instagram. If you like our video, then don't forget to hit the like button on our video and comment down if you have any question or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon to our channel.